Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make slowed and reverb audio in CapCut. First of all, what you have to do is open CapCut on your PC or on your phone. Once the CapCut has been opened, you have to input or drop the audio file in which you want to add the slowed and reverb effect. So after that, what you have to do is click on your sound, and then you will be able to see the basic settings on the top. Click on basic, and then you'll be able to see a speed. You have to decrease the speed from 1x to 0.8x. After that, what you have to do is click on your audio and go to the voice changer, and then you have to find an effect called mic hog. Click on mic hog. Once the mic hog has been applied, what you have to do is click on this settings button. You have to change the room size to 0.80 and change the strength to 0.30. And after that, if you listen to your audio, you have successfully applied slowed and reverb effect on audios with the help of CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.